Welcome to Daily English Practice. Let's improve your English with simple daily sentences. Repeat after me. 1. I just woke up. I just woke up. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm washing my face. I'm washing my face. I'm making my bed. I'm making my bed. I'm making tea. I'm making tea. I'm having breakfast. I'm having breakfast. I'm leaving for college. I'm leaving for college. I'm running late. I'm running late. I'm taking notes. I'm taking notes. I want to ask something. I want to ask something. I'm studying. I'm studying. I'm listening. I'm listening. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. Can you explain this? Can you explain this? Now I understand. Now I understand. I'm using my phone. I'm using my phone. I'm talking to my friend. I'm talking to my friend. Let me help you. Let me help you. I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room. I'm washing dishes. I'm washing dishes. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm resting. I'm resting. I'm watching TV. I'm watching TV. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling happy. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm planning my day. I'm planning my day. I'm setting an alarm. I'm setting an alarm. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping. Let me turn this off. Let me turn this off. I'm still sleepy. I'm still sleepy. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. I need to leave now. I need to leave now. I'm heading out. I'm heading out. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let me check this. Let me check this. I'm noting this down. I'm noting this down. This is difficult. This is difficult. I need to figure this out. I need to figure this out. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I got it. I got it. That's done. That's done. That sounds good. That sounds good. I'll text you. I'll text you. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. See you later. See you later. I need a break. I need a break. I'm just scrolling. I'm just scrolling. This is funny. This is funny. I'm feeling tired. I'm feeling tired. I need to relax. I need to relax. I'm organizing things. I'm organizing things. Let me plan tomorrow. Let me plan tomorrow. I need to wake up early. I need to wake up early. I'm turning off the lights. I'm turning off the lights. Good night. Good night. I'm asleep. I'm asleep. Great job. Keep practicing daily. If you want to speak English confidently, don't forget to practice every day.